booty cheeks. Oh. JJ. Hey, JJ. JJ, I can't hear you. I'm near the red light, green light. Bro, it's a new map. I don't know where to freaking go. What? What's that guy? Oh, hell yeah. Bro, I fought you. Okay, I'm going down the tunnel. They don't love you like I love you. What is that? Oh my god! Oh no! Bro. Oh my god, bro. What is this? Hey, yo! I'm not doing anything. No. Let's see how fast I... Why did it turn off? Why did it turn on? Because we're scared. Because we're scared. We look so strong. So strong. I'm blocking you. Alright, what other jobs do we have? Okay, we have to get a golden bar. Oh, root beer. And look, we're only gonna get 25, which means... Is it work with a team? Okay, I'm coming. Yeah. Oh, hell no. Your booty cheeks. Oh, yeah. He's getting mad. He's getting mad. They're so scary, bro. What does this landmine do? I just farted. Like, I actually farted. I also peed in my pants. You said you were sick, right? I almost just threw up. Oh my gosh, are you okay, bro? Bro, that was so funny. Wow. You want to see something cool? One. I have 4,000. From the egg duplication the first day we met? That was like 2 months ago, bro. You still have that. All the money we made from the chicken is literally from the multiplying the first day we met is all gone, bro. Alright, we have to get a gold ball. I'm gonna take this up your booty. What are you? Alright, bye. This was the end of the video.